In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can create and add split screen app pair to home screen. First of all, you need to decide which apps you use the most in split screen view. Then click on the first one. This one will appear at the top of your screen and access it in the background. Click on the icon of it available at the top. Select Open in split screen view and finally tap on a second app. Now with both of them opened in split screen view, click on those three dots in the middle. Tap on this tiny icon of a star located on the right and select home screen in the pop-up. Then go back. As you can see, after that I can open my apps in the split screen configuration by clicking on the shortcut. If you want to delete it, you need to hold it, wait for the pop-up to show, and when it does, hit remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!